Hello and welcome back to my channel. I got my wisdom teeth out yesterday. Doesn't really look like it. I'm not swollen. I'm honestly feeling pretty good. I woke up a little bit ago and I haven't even taken my painkiller that I was prescribed for today. I have to do it with food, so I will be doing that after breakfast. But yeah, hey, I'm gonna be showing you what I eat in a day after wisdom teeth removal, because even though I'm doing much better than I expected, there definitely is still pain. And I absolutely cannot eat anything that requires any chewing. So in this video, I'm just gonna take you along my day and show you my process of trying to make filling mushy foods, because I don't want to be eating yogurt and applesauce all day starving. I want to actually hopefully be satiated a little bit. Also, I had all 4 of mine removed, 2 of them being impacted. So I was expecting the worst. I was going in with expectations that I was going to be in pain for days and unable to speak. So I am not too mad. But yeah, so I'm gonna start with breakfast. I am hungry and I'm gonna be making a smoothie bowl. Not crazy exciting, but it's kind of all that I can do right now. But I'm gonna try to make it filling. I'm gonna be adding in things beyond fruit that'll hopefully make me feel like it's more of a meal, because I can't add any toppings because I can't chew. So I'm gonna start with frozen bananas. I'm going to add strawberries. I'm gonna stay away from especially blackberries and raspberries because of seeds. Strawberry seeds are a lot easier to break down, and I am using a Vitamix, which is a very high-speed blender. So once this goes to the blender, there's gonna be no seeds. So here are the strawberries and bananas. Then I have a couple more things. These next things are hopefully what's gonna make it more filling. So I have some sea moss gel. This actually isn't for making it filling. Another thing is I want nutrients. I don't wanna be eating, I don't wanna be eating nothing of much nutritional value for days straight. So I'm gonna add in a spoonful of sea moss gel, and then a spoonful of the raw almond butter from Trader Joe's, because I want to be full after this. Like a big heaping spoonful, and this is a big spoon as well. And then the last thing, or second to last thing I'm gonna add is some protein powder. This is strawberry milk flavored. There isn't a whole lot of mushy protein sources. They're all kind of chewy, so I added in a scoop of that, and then I'm just gonna top it off with some almond milk and blend, and that'll be breakfast. Very delicious. Yeah, here's breakfast. I switched to a smaller spoon because it's easier to get in my mouth. I'm gonna go lay in bed and watch Netflix because I'm done talking. And then after this, I get to take my painkiller and antibiotic. So I will see you next when I eat. I'm probably not gonna eat normal meals during this day, just because I'm just gonna eat when I'm hungry, which will probably be more frequent than a normal day. For my snack, I have some homemade applesauce. It's not a lot because I ate the first half of it yesterday. But I had an apple and a half left over the night before the extraction, and I obviously knew that I wouldn't be able to eat them, so I turned it into applesauce. And I did not realize how easy applesauce making is. All I did was boil apples, lemon juice, cinnamon, sugar, and then blend it with a little bit of the water that it was boiled in, and it made perfect applesauce. Here's my snack. I'm still feeling pretty good. So it is now lunchtime, and lunch is gonna be a little boring. I'm sorry about that, but I already know what I'm making for dinner and dessert, and both those are a lot more fun. Well, dinner's more fun than this. It's nothing crazy, but dessert, I'm actually so excited for it. It's something I've been wanting to do for the past 2 weeks or something, because I got a certain machine. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, just stay tuned, that makes something that's good for my teeth, and it would be so fun to film. But for lunch, I'm gonna heat up some Progresso Vegetable Classics Tomato Basil Soup. I don't know what it is about the soup. If you have not tried the soup, you're missing out. I've been eating this soup for the past couple years. It is my favorite tomato soup. They have a tomato basil and a tomato red pepper one that are both vegan. And they're so yummy. So yeah, really boring, but I'm just gonna heat up a can of soup on the stove, so. Lunch, yay, so good. It's actually really sad because I'm editing videos right now from last week when I was eating normal food, and I know it's only a day and a half into this, but I already want to eat something that's not drinkable, but at least this tastes good. So let's heat this up. Soup time. I don't know what it is about the soup, why I love it so much, but I found this tomato soup. I think it's the only vegan store-bought tomato soup I've ever had because I bought it, decided I loved it, and I just haven't tried to find another one since. So I'm sorry if I'm hyping this up so much you try it and then think that there's better tomato soup out there, but I think it's tasty and I really like it because it's Progresso, so it's not like some fancy cashew-based one that's like $7 for a can of soup. It's a normal soup price, so. I'm gonna eat this. And I may eat something before dinner, maybe not, but either way, dinner and dessert will be more of a cooking process. I'm luckily not feeling too hungry so far though. I'm doing good. And dinner will definitely be my most filling meal, which I'm happy about because going to sleep hungry is the worst thing on earth. So I'm saving dinner to be my most filling meal. Okay, we're gonna get someone's opinion who isn't biased and obsessed with the soup like I am.
Is that what you told him? You're obsessed
yeah,
with?
well, I feel like, I don't know, it's really good. I just feel like I might overhype it to people around.
It's really hot.
Oh, then wait, sorry. I didn't mean to burn you.
Ooh. What makes it so creamy?
I genuinely don't know the ingredients.
Because it's creamy and delicious.
So you do approve?
I think it's really good.
Yay. It is tomato puree and water. Everything else is less than 2% of. Corn syrup solids, corn starch, sugar, soybean oil, modified food starch, salt, potassium chloride, garlic powder, dried parsley, basil, natural flavor, citric acid, absorbic acid, and soy lecithin.
There's more parsley than basil, and they call it a tomato basil soup. Just
wow.
So it's delicious though. I think it's really good.
Yay!
I love it.
Okay, we're gonna watch Temptation Island. Goodbye. See you at dinner.
Bye. And action.
Dinner time! This is the meal that I've been talking about. I was going to get lentil dal, and then I found chana masala for $1 cheaper. I don't think I've ever had chana masala. It says chickpeas with tomato, onion, and spices, and I'm just gonna heat that in the microwave and then make some mashed potatoes, which I forgot to get out what I'm gonna put in the mashed potatoes. For sure gonna be adding earth balance butter, while Will is going to be torturing me eating vegan dino nuggets and Gardein Nashville hot tenders.
Yeah. Oh, these smell so good. Oh my gosh.
I bet they smell great.
Yes. I'm so happy. It's so good.
I am so glad. I just have to try a tiny little bite.
Yeah. At your own risk.
This
Could you taste it at all?
It's extra spicy because I think I only ate the breading. Gourmet?
He's got a kick.
Right?
Oh, hi.
I've never seen these Nashville hot Gardein tenders ever in my life until. Whew. Are they spicy?
I'm also gonna have a baby, but I think they're really good. But yeah, they're spicy.
Dino nuggets or those?
Dino nuggets.
Okay.
All day, every day.
For my meal, I got mashed potatoes and the chana masala, and I'm going to add some vegan mozzarella on top and mix it in so hopefully it melts because I'm trying to get in fats. I want it to be like baby food. I'm gonna rate my meal a 7 out of 10. So next time I'll see you is for dessert, which I already let them know that we got something really cool. Like a cool machine to make something for dessert.
You can't tell them anymore.
Oh, I haven't. So I'm gonna eat my mashed potatoes and chana masala, and I'll be back for dessert, which I have been waiting weeks for. We have it right there.
Yeah, they can't see anything.
Do I put the big reveal?
No. Let's just do
Okay.
it.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Focus, focus, focus. We got an icy machine. Did you find it or did I find it?
We found it.
Okay. We saw this guy on TikTok that had this icy machine, and he said basically you can put any liquid in it and it turns it into a slushie, so.
We're gonna put a bunch of liquids in it. I'm so excited.
So we're gonna make a slushie with a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, make one mega slushie.
First we have pineapple juice. Then we have passion fruit juice, lychee juice, and lemonade. There's a lot of instructions that are really boring, and I know nobody wants to see that. So we're gonna skip through all of that and just get to the point where we can make our fun
I wish
slushie.
I could skip through that.
I know, me too. I wish I was you guys. But then they don't get the slushie.
True. So you could just do all the slushie. And then I can drink it?
No.
Okay, I'll get the ice.
Is that normal?
Why would it make that noise? It's just salt.
So I can put it in?
Yes. A lot of real estate.
I'm so excited! I know! We've been waiting so long.
I know.
Okay, we think it's done. We're gonna taste it.
I think you just pull that way.
This way? Or towards me?
I think towards you.
Oh.
You all ready for this?
Okay. I can't drink out of a straw because of they told me not to, so I'm gonna eat it with a spoon. This is pineapple juice, lychee juice, passion fruit juice, lemonade.
Does it taste like frozen pineapple juice, lychee juice, passion fruit juice, and lemonade?
It tastes exactly like that. It's really good.
This tastes exactly like passion fruit juice.
Pineapple juice, lychee juice, and lemonade. Wow, guys, that's a your review.
Mmm.
But it took
Longer.
It took longer. It took 15, 20 minutes.
I think this is fantastic because everything tastes better frozen. That's a lie. But if it's a liquid, it tastes better. That's also a lie. But in this case, it tastes really good frozen.
Yep.
And I'm not selling it very well.
Well,
I think it tastes great.
I know. This isn't sponsored, but I'll put the link down below if you want to try it. I feel like we're gonna be using this all the time. I want to turn everything into a slushie now.
Oh my gosh, chocolate milk. Chocolate Oatly.
But I don't like chocolate milk. Strawberry milk.
Oh.
And you don't like strawberry milk?
I'm not the biggest fan.
Yeah.
You know, that's okay. We can do one chocolate and one strawberry.
Not Neapolitan. I hate Neapolitan.
Ooh. I only like Neapolitan, but the chocolate and vanilla parts.
You don't like Neapolitan. Okay. Bye, guys. Actually, I think this is gonna be the end of the video. Well, I mean, it's already 10:15. I feel like I'm not gonna be eating anything else today besides finishing the rest of my slushie. So, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching.
Wish Ashley a speedy recovery.
Thank you so much. I'm doing pretty good. I'm not bleeding as much anymore. If you want to see more of my recovery wisdom teeth meals, go to TikTok because I'll be filming my whole day of eating tomorrow, which will be different food. So, thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video.
Wait, what the heck?
Just turn off the camera, and then I think it broke. There is no way that broke. I will actually cry myself to sleep tonight.
Maybe.
Okay.
We fixed it.
Oh, good.